What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript, and today we're going to be talking about the DOM, Document Object Model. The Document Object Model, it's what allows JavaScript to access the content of a web page. Web browser uses the DOM to keep track of the elements on a page, such as paragraph, headings, and other HTML elements. But what is a element? Elements are so important to JavaScript because we're going to be working with it. So if we go to our HTML right here, we can see our H1, which is it has a start tag right here, and also it has our end tag with a forward slash. Same thing with the paragraph, a starting tag and end tag and some content right here. Okay, now if we go to our utils.js right here, in this function we have a parameter but the name update, right? And in the DOM it has some built-in objects too. So like document, it's a built-in object that refers to the web browser, and this object, document object, has a method that is get element by ID, and also this method has properties, text content. Like in this case, how do we access those elements? So the elements, they have an ID, and we go back right here, just an ID by the name update, and we pass that in our document that get element by ID. We pass it right here, single quotes or double quotes, and then we get a content which is set to the parameter, which is update. Okay, all right guys, we're going to be doing a little bit more of these examples working with the DOM, and also yeah, so we're going to see that, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. All right, have a good night, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.